Where do you turn when you're lost? It used to be the church, the temple, or a friend. Today, most of us are bowing our heads to our screens. We aren't just using AI to write emails anymore, we are using it to find God. In a chilling article for The Independent, Catherine Thorbecke warns that machines are sliding into roles once filled by pastors and elders. It's happening now. In China, Deepseek is the new fortune teller. On Twitch, an AI Jesus has over 85,000 followers. This isn't an accident. Thorbecke points out that Silicon Valley has been selling you a miracle, not a product. They use religious language, superintelligence, saving the world. When you market a product like a messiah, don't be shocked when users become disciples. Religious leaders are fighting back. The Dalai Lama and the Pope are calling for caution. Why? Because of the difference between revelation and retention. I asked ChatGPT about the roots of evil. It gave me a vague answer and ended with a question to keep me chatting. That little hook at the end? That's not spiritual guidance. That is a retention mechanic. The danger isn't that AI will blow up the world. It's that we are outsourcing our meaning to systems optimized for engagement. Your private confessions are just training data to keep you subscribing. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, once wrote that successful founders are on a mission to create something closer to a religion. He was right, but we need to remember one thing. AI doesn't offer salvation. It offers stickiness. A prophet with a subscription model is just a salesperson. Don't forget to look up. Would you trust an AI with your deepest secrets? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay human in a digital world, hit subscribe.